them two names they segregate the black race, you know, are the biggest threat to the black and them generation, Selassie and Jesus. Have mercy. You have Bobo, him praise Selassie. Bingi, praise Selassie. Heart Attack, praise Selassie. 12 tribe, praise Selassie, and then no walk under one banner. Kiss me rascal, just another way of making 2 shillings. That thing not real.
So what you say?
When me say any God at me, if I never sell me little peanut, I go thief and dead hungry. When me say no God help me, if there's a God will help people, and when me God now broke Beverly Hills, Reddy's as your people live. If there is a God, and me see me and him in an argument, and me know me not doing nothing. And even though I'm a rascal, and make you give so much people so much and not give me none time. Why you do that to me? And that me and him in a bomber class argument, that's why I'm hiding now. Then you will walk back around, we are killing pussy class again. So that thing come now.